guys, Jonathan here, welcome back to my channel.
Elsewhere across the Midwest,
It's Sunday, March 14th. Just having thunderstorms today. No severe weather. As you can see, the wind blowing, it just started pouring right now. I'll give you a quick video and update you. I probably had now between 5 and 7 inches of rain in 2 days, easy. I don't flood here, I'm on a bluff. You can hear the wind. And yeah, just sheets of rain come down. If you can see this, it's daylight savings here. I have an extra hour of sunlight a day to view all this. Man, that air is freezing. I gotta look this way, the wind's hitting me on my back. There you go, it stopped. Anyway, this is Missouri. It's told Sunday, March 14, 2021. It's about 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. No severe weather today. Just thunderstorms and heavy rain. So that's it. Keep you updated. Seem to see fog too. And last night it was foggy all night. But that's normal. The hot air hitting the cold air. Same for severe weather. That's what creates that here. The conditions are right. Man, that air is crazy. I'm gonna cut it off, guys. It's getting a baseball rain. But I wanted to share with you. Same here, you can see everything. My drains. Everything runs 360 degrees off the farm. And my hay greening up is cold. Grass, same thing. So, contractor's coming this week. Hopefully get my back deck replaced. I have brand new wood there in the one-car garage. And front deck too, or porch. It's going to be the same thing applied, so I'll show that when it happens. And as told, getting ready to move out here. Game plan in a couple months and hopefully sell the farm and get back to Southern California on FEMA. Y'all be safe, there's a lightning strike. See if I get the sonic boom. Alright guys, y'all be safe. I won't catch you tomorrow unless something else happens tonight, but it's just supposed to be heavy thunderstorms with rain, so you be safe out there, safe to put out there. NOAA weather radio that was playing at the first of the video that went off for a warning, and this is further south of me, but anyway, that will save your life. So you're here in the United States, especially the Midwest, but anywhere nationwide, that works off a megahertz signal. This is not a paid advertisement. There's a lightning strike